Hey concrete fans, time to make a quick little concrete planter, testing out our Kickstarter mold one more time and just having some end of the day fun. So, a quick mix. Got my mold, one of my prototype molds at least. I've got some pigments, and I've got some gray matter. I'm going just freestyle today. Drop that right in. Voila, we're done. That's it. We made a concrete object very quick. Oops. One more air bubble, pop that. Balance this out a bit. There, perfect. Let's pop it out tomorrow, see what we got. Thanks for tuning in and watching, and if you want to do this at home, by yourself, with a friend, in the comfort of your own home, you can get the Easy Make Concrete Making Kit on Kickstarter right now. Limited time only. Well, eventually, all the time, but for right now, a limited time. Hey, concrete fans, we're back. Let's see what we made. Here it is, our very own marbled hexagon concrete planter. Do whatever you want with it. It's for you. And we could have yesterday made a couple of these too, if we had been using the full Easy Make kit and not just one of my prototypes. But yeah, this is it. The Easy Make Concrete Making Kit. Everything you need to make a planter, some hex tiles. We got molds. We got our gray matter, our special concrete mix. We've got beautiful artist grade pigments. You can do marbling like this with them. Right now on Instagram, we've got a little competition, a giveaway, a sweepstake, if you will. Go to Instagram. Mr. ConcreteConcrete is our handle. And like the post, the sweepstakes post, and mention 3 friends, and you'll be entered to win one of the Easy Make Concrete Making Kits. Help us try to get there if you can. We'd love your help, and I'd love to show you how to make concrete at home. Stuff like this, but even your own things too. You can make whatever you want. Bye for now.